Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. This is Prateek. You're watching Prehistoric Polymath, and today I thought of changing my phone and it has arrived. So without any further ado, let's unbox this.
Derulo.
So I ordered this phone yesterday and it has arrived today. So let us check it out. This is standard Flipkart packing like this. And there you go, iPhone Special Edition 2020. In the sense, iPhone second generation. In the sense, iPhone SE second generation. This is the black color which I bought. This is the 64 GB variant, and I am excited to see how this goes. So let us open this and let me make you hear the sound. Ooh. Okay, so we don't need any knife or anything. This was a very easy opening. Apple has come up with a new system of just opening these things like this, and I really like that. Okay, the box itself feels very premium, and the phone, you can see it's in the form of a it bulges out so that you can feel how it feels. So here we are opening this, and starting we get our usual paperwork, Apple designed by California, and we'll get some paperwork here which says welcome to iPhone tips. And wow, it comes with a SIM ejecting tool, and then there's warranty, there's how to use. Wow, and Apple stickers. I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna stick this on something. And here we are with our phone. This is how our phone looks, man. This is an iPhone 8 body, but it just feels like an iPhone 11. That premium feel has been given in this phone as well. So now let us just open this, and let's do the best part. Oof. Front and back is glass, the side is aluminium, and here we can see there's the home button. There is 12 megapixel camera behind and the 7 megapixel camera at the front, and there's no headphone jack as usual. And the side there is one single SIM, and there is an eSIM inside. And so basically this phone is dual SIM. So let us keep this aside and let's see. The sad thing is Apple comes with a 5-watt charger, and this is a very slow charger. 5-watt charger for a 40,000 rupees phone, I don't think that is worth it. Well, I do have a MacBook charger, so I'm going to use that. So let us use fast charging. This even has wireless charging capabilities in it, but wireless charging is again expensive, and didn't buy the charger. And you get again with your wallet.